Hello everybody, good morning. I'm getting ready for the day. A couple of people have asked me a lot about like makeup things and everything like that recently, and I sat here thinking, I thought actually I would just sit here, get ready on the camera this morning. As you could tell, my foundation is about 2 shades darker than my face at the moment because I am actually extremely pale right now, like extremely pale, just because it's winter. So when it comes to foundation, I don't bother with any brushes anymore. Literally just wash my hands in the shower before getting ready, and that's good enough for me because I am a bit of a gross person where I don't wash out my brushes enough. So this just works best for me. So I just get a little nice base on. The foundation that I use is this one, the Rimmel Lasting Perfection. Love it. I don't know what it is about it, I think it's the best one. A really simple base there, and then I just like conceal over any little spots that I have. At the moment I've got quite a lot on my cheeks, and the one that I've been using here is the L'Oreal Infallible, and this one here is number 329 in Cashew. It goes on really nicely, just covers up those imperfections. Like I said, it's like slightly the wrong colour for me at the moment, but we'll work with it. And I just dab that in. Excuse the fact that I have washing and stuff in the background. I am going to get that sorted in a second. When it comes to eyebrows, these are just my natural eyebrows. I just fill in the bald patches that I have just around this sort of mark from when I had my eyebrows shaved as a teenager. So very nice to me. It never ever grew back. My dad actually shaved it as a joke. It wasn't a very funny joke to me at age, I don't know how old, 13, 14, but something I still have to live with because it never grew back, this one here. So that's all I do there. The rest just grows out of my face naturally. I use Benefit Hoola bronzer for my face, just with a brush. Literally swirl it around in there, tap it into my cheekies like so. Very 2015 this one is. What's a girl to do? Brush it across my nose, just give myself a bit of colour back, and then across the top of my forehead as well, just like that. And then, to be honest, at the moment, because my neck's so pale, I just do down my neck, blend that in. When I wear a jumper, it's fine. When it comes to eyelashes, I use these ones. These are the Ardell Wispies. I've reused them for around about a week at a time, and that works out great. I'll literally just stick them on my eyes. It saves me having to deal with mascara and stuff because I hate that. You know, when it runs down your face, and I have quite like hooded eyelids, don't know if you could tell. So when I like look normal, it like sags over, and I hate that. So I always feel like I need eyelashes to cover that up. So that's what I do. It's absolutely fine. And I also, like, I used to get eyelash extensions from like a person done in like a salon, and to be honest, I like the fact that I could take these off at the end of the day when I get back. So I simply just glue them on every single day. People always think I'm nuts for it, but I use this glue here, the Duo Fast Set one is like the best one, and I just glue them onto my eyeballs. It takes no time at all, as you will see, because I'm so used to doing them. And then it saves me time from doing mascara as well. I usually do put on a little bit of mascara just to blend them in. I don't know why that one's sitting a little bit funny, but that's all I tend to do. And I just get some mascara, put it on underneath like my actual eyelashes, just coat it up like that. And the same on this one, just to blend the eyelashes with my natural ones, something like that, basically. Then for lips at the moment, I've been using, in my bag back here because I had it out yesterday, I've been using this lip liner and this lipstick combo. What was that? That's not the one. So it's tiny now. NYX Suede Matte Lip Liner in Can you see that? And then matte lipstick in Myrrh. That's what I've been using, or Mare, whatever you call it. And just outline my lips. Just like so. Just like that. And then this lipstick over the top. And that's it. That's my daily face. I need to fix up this hair. It's doing all sorts of wild things this morning, and then we will be ready to go to the Christmas market. I'm so excited. I think it's going to be so good. So yeah, that's how I get ready.
Are you filming it?
Yeah.
What normally happens, Chelsey?
Yeah.
Let
me give you the wristbands. Yeah, I know.
You thought in it?
So I'm back from the Christmas market. This is what I wore, by the way, just my Hilari little leggings, this jacket from M&S. I love this still. And this hat. I feel like I look like a bit of a licorice all sort, but nonetheless, the market was really, really good. I mean, you had to pay £7 to get in, which was fine. I probably wouldn't say it was worth £7. Like maybe a £5 max. It was very, 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 very busy. You sort of got like a bit crowded in to begin with. There was lots of makers and everything. There was a lot of alcohol and like food stands this year rather than like handmade goods, if you know what I mean. But it was a really good Christmas day out. I had like fun with my mum and friends and stuff. We got some food at the food hall bit. We saw the reindeer, and yeah, all around it was a good time, and I would probably go again in the future. But yeah, I didn't really buy anything aside from a big bag of nuts that cost me £18. £18 for like a bag like that big, and I was like, oh my goodness. But I couldn't say no to the guy because I'd mixed two. But he scooped them in, and he knew exactly what he was doing with me. So there was that, and I broke my tooth on them, didn't I? I actually did. The tooth next to the tooth that I got fixed the other day. I don't know when this is going to stop, because dental stuff is actually quite possibly ruining my life at the moment. Not to sound dramatic. But yeah, I don't know what I've got to update you on really. I've been into Truro just shopping, so I might do a little haul of that actually, because I've got a load of stuff here that I need to put away anyway. Oh, I know, I will show you my Santa because I finished him. I know lots of you commented last night about me needing to put a belt on him, but he's such a long boy, it won't suit him. I feel like belts suit chubby Santas better, and because he's so long, I didn't think that would work, so I didn't want to do a belt. But I did add bells and I added a pocket, so let me just go show you him. So I've just hung my Santa up here on this little organizer thing by the door. I need a new paint, doesn't it? Like some of the stuff is chipping off. He's huge here, but he fits perfectly. I always envisioned like tongue and groove down here, but alas, I haven't done it. But here he is. Here's his finished look. He's got bells down the centre, which I think finishes off nicely. And I pulled off some little foliage bits, some faux foliage bits from my wreath. Oh, there's a dog hair on there. And just popped it in a little pocket that I sewed on. See that little pocket? So there he is, looking very cute. I think the bells are cute. And he jingles as well. So all in all, I think that finished him nicely. I couldn't find any buttons, but there he is, look. What a cutie patootie. I do feel like I need to shape his moustache a little bit better, but there he is. Very cute. And the wreath that there was from is this wreath right here. Look at that. Isn't that cool? I really like that one. It was from TK Maxx, and then these elves I made myself. These here was from a Poundland DIY once where I got Poundland trees. I bleached them and then dyed them so they looked more vintagey. And I really like that. But I just put you on my kitchen table chair there. That will do. I've still got my hat on. I need to take that off. But alas, I just thought I'd show you. So I went to Tesco, picked up a few bits. I got myself a Yule log. These are on offer in there at the moment for £5. And I got myself a new pack of mince pies. I think my husband's nabbed them already. No, he hasn't. It's in this bag. These ones here we're trying next. The rum and raisin mince pies. Don't they look good? We're doing like trying out all the mince pies at the moment. The ones that I've actually loved so far are the Waitrose limoncello ones. I've said it a lot in here. Very lemony, very sweet, absolutely divine. I know some of you went and bought them and you'd really like them. Those were £1.50. White enrobed Oreos. Have you ever tried these? These are insane. I love these. So they're just like in a white chocolate. It's kind of almost like icing really. But these were in the sale too. 75p in Tesco. So I was thrilled at that. Picked up a sellotape because we're gonna need that. On to what's in this bag. So home bargains, I picked up a Glade refill. This one here I can highly recommend. It's the frosted floral cherries, cherry and sakura flower scented. It is divine. It's not the most like normal Christmas scent, if you know what I mean, like a traditional Christmas scent with cinnamon or anything like that, but it's so good. I also picked up this hair clip in there for my sister's birthday on Wednesday. I'm going to do her a little hamper, so she likes a good clip. And then I picked up this. It's an alien dupe, you know, the Mugler, I don't know what it's called, but the alien perfume. I love that. I've got the gold on at the moment as well, and if you haven't smelt that, you need to smell it. Go to Boots, give it a sniff. It's amazing. But this here is the dupe of Alien, and it's in a body mist. And do you know what? Smells delightful, and I think my sister tends to smell like that, so when I smelt it, picked it up. Also giant Listerine. How much was all those things? I have a receipt here. Listerine £3.99. Oh, I got toilet roll. That's why I went there. You remember in the last vlog when I went home bags and I forgot the toilet roll. So I picked up toilet roll, 18 pack for £4.49. That's a really good toilet roll. The Nikki Elite toilet roll, by the way. If you're after a new toilet roll, you don't want to be spending 10, 15 quid on Cushell anymore. Nikki Elite, that one's good. Once you start buying it, you'll notice everyone else in the stores, how many people in Home Bargains and stuff buys it. It's crazy. The Glade cherry thing was £2.75. Body mist, £2.99. That's a bargain, isn't it? And the clip was £1.49. So absolute steal. I picked up this little hat and mitten set for one of my nephews. He's just turned 1 and I thought that would be perfect for him. Just a little Laura Asher one. It is so soft, but I got that in TK Maxx for £5.99. Another little gift for another nephew of mine. This was £6.99, and this is just one of those little chop your own fruit things. You know, you got the knife and then they're velcroed, and he's getting a kitchen for Christmas, so his parents asked for some chopped vegetables type thing, so we found that in there. £6.99, a bargain. Then I went a bit wild with this. I've decided all of my nieces and nephews, like over the age of 2, they get in fugglers. You know me and Rodders, yeah? I got carried away. So I bought them all these really random ones. I'm like that adult in the family who buys everyone really random gifts. And I've gone above and beyond this year. I think some of the kids are going to love them and some of the kids are going to be like, what the hell? I'm known as Auntie Chelsey in the family. But I do have to get 10 of these. So I've got 4 so far. This one here is like a goldfish. That one's for my oldest nephew. Look at this one. Kind of reminded me of Sully. Look at his little teeth in there. They are in there. So I've been having a blast go around and finding these. So I've got 4 so far. I need 6 more. Those were on offer for half price in the Entertainer store, I think it's called, in Truro. So thrilled at that. I think the Tesco Extra over in like Poole sells them as well, because that's where I got Rodders from in the end. So yeah, I need to buy some more of those. So that's what I'll be doing this week. So stay tuned for that. But for now though, that's all I've got for today's video. Sorry, it's not really that entertaining, but all I really did was go to the Christmas markets and I was there for like 3 hours. So I mean, that took up the crafting time. So this is all you've got for me today. So I do apologise, but you know, it is what it is. That's where we're at. I'm gonna go hang out with family now, and that should be my priority really, shouldn't it? Like real life people. But I wanted to hop on and just say hello. Thank you so much for hanging out with me on Vlogmas day 14. 10 more days to go and then it's gonna be Christmas. How amazing is that? Like jingle bells, my friends. So yeah, thanks so much for watching today, and I will catch you tomorrow for another video. Bye.